welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's take a look at the headlines first. Congress aspirants become anxious. Declaration of candidates next week. Congress takes all precautions to avoid revolt. Sudhin Dhaurikar resigns as cabinet minister. No clarification on withdrawal of support to the government. Alliance talks on with BJP. Social networking sites used as medium to campaign in assembly elections. Aspiring candidates use their sites for promotion and propaganda. File and Arrows hold Salgaonkar Sports Club to a goalless draw in I-League. And work on artificial turf at Duler and Tilak Maidan to begin this month. Dempo says delay is because of FIFA. GFA hopes for works to be completed before monsoon. And now the news in detail. Entire Goa Congress camp is anxious as declaration of candidates list has been shifted to next week. Supreme Court's strictures on PMO and the decision to cancel 2G licenses have kept the Congress High Command busy with more important issues than Goa's candidature list.
Congress aspirants are disturbed as delay in declaration of candidates list is hampering their prospects of damage control in case of an unaffordable decision towards them. Sources from Delhi say that Congress High Command might go through the list on next Monday and declare it by Tuesday. Date of filing applications begins from 6th February, that is Monday. Declaration of candidates after that leaves little scope for those who will be denied tickets. That is the reason Congress wants to delay the declaration while weighing all pros and cons of each candidate. Many Congress leaders are still camping in Delhi. Supreme Court's decision on 2G licenses has diverted Congress High Command's attention from state polls to the PMO. All are getting more anxious and many surprises are expected from the list in the wake of issues like representation to loyalists, minorities and winnable candidates. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
MGP, MLA and Transport Minister Sudhin Dhaurikar resigned from the Congress-led government on Thursday. However, he has not clarified anything on withdrawing support from the government. He said that MGP's Central Committee will decide on withdrawing the support. Sudhin informed that alliance talks are on, but some seat-sharing issues need to be sorted out.
Transport and Social Welfare Minister Sudhin Dhaurikar, who is also a MGP MLA, has finally resigned from the ministry. Sources say that MGP is also contemplating withdrawing support of the Kamath-led government. Sudhin Dhaurikar, however, clarified that MGP's Central Committee will decide on the withdrawal. The meeting will be held on 5th February.
आज हमें जी मिनिस्ट्री आशिल्ली म्हजी ताजो राजीनामा दिला.
आता सरकारचो सपोर्टांतल्यान विड्रॉ केन्ना
सरकाराचो सपोर्ट जो विड्रॉ आसा तो म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे इमिजिएट घेवपाची आवश्यकता आसा की ना हें म्हाका खबर ना, पूण केंद्रीय समिती ठरयतले ते खरेंच तो सरकाराचो सपोर्ट विड्रॉ करपाक जाय काय कितें येता त्या 5 तारखेक म्हज्या म्हायती प्रमाणे सांजे वेळार पार्लमेंटरी कमिटीची मिटींग आमी दवरिल्ल्या. असले फाटले इलेक्शनांत आमकां एक दिसून आयलें की आमकां जर आनीक 5,000 मतां पडिल्लीं जाल्यार आमचे 4 सीट येतले आशिल्ले आनी ती शक्य आशिल्ली प्रोवायडेड आमी त्या वेळार जर आमी भायर सरिल्ले जाल्यार. सो पूर्वीची मिस्टेक अंदू करप ना हें आमी ठरयलां.
On the other side, MGP is looking forward to have an alliance with the BJP, but certain seat-sharing issues need to be sorted out. The final decision on alliance is expected by next week.
अजून पासून भाजपा विशीं युती फायनल जावना. काही सिटांचेर घासाघीस चल्ल्या. ती घासाघीस जाल्या नंतरच युतीची मोडणी जातली अशें म्हाका म्हज्या केंद्रीय समितींतल्या 2 सदस्यांनी सांगलें आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी मुखार वचपाचें थारायलां. युती जावं अगर न जावं पूण आमी एक ठरयलां की आमी मोठ्या दबाज्यान अंदूच्या इलेक्शनाक वतले.
Our reporter in Panchi Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Avinash Joshi.
Social networking sites can be one of the best mediums of mass communication. Interestingly, these sites are also being used as agents of change. Aspiring candidates and other civil society groups are making use of these sites for the upcoming elections in Goa. Have a look at this report.
With the elections fast approaching, every attempt is being made by candidates and civil society groups to reach out to every voter. Take for instance Digambar Kamath. A special fan page has been created on Facebook called Friends of Digambar Kamath, supporting him overwhelming. The BJP too has not lagged behind. Manohar Parrikar, Lakshmikant Parsekar and Damu Naik are posting regular updates of BJP's campaign in the state. This includes photos, videos and other updates related to the just concluded Jana Sampark Yatra in the state. Other aspiring candidates like Mervyn Gudino, Babu Kavlekar, Vijay Sardesai too are posting election related updates on their sites. For these individuals, Facebook seems to be the best way of mass outreach. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar too has been using Facebook of late, as his page shows regular posts of his campaign. Civil society groups too have started using Facebook to enlighten the electorate. Take for instance the group Friends of Good Governance. The FOGG page has various photos and messages about their recent activities. Another group called Zagrut Goenkaratso Ekvot has created a Facebook page. This group has planned to field its own candidates for the elections who are not affiliated to any political party. One of its candidates, Father Bismarck Dias too, has a Facebook page in his name. Another social group, Goa Election 2012, has created a page asking all candidates to join the page and interact with voters. Goa Vikas Party Supremo Miki Pacheco also does not lag far behind. Some of his supporters have created a page asking people vote for Miki from Nuve. Other groups like Together for Fathoda asking voters to join hands in the development of their constituency. Use of such social networking sites is fast evolving. Even the traditional minded are convinced by the power of such sites. Who knows, in future, such sites as Facebook could determine the winnability of a candidate for any election. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
We now move in for a short break. Stay tuned.